Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now, once you opened up your Telegram wallet, you will see a few options how you can withdraw it. So the first one would be to send, and send option would be to send it to some other exchange like Binance or Bybit, whatever you are using, and basically send the funds there, and then you can do whatever you want with it. Another way would be to just go to P2P Market and get it straightly to your bank account. So you would choose P2P Market and go ahead and click sell. Now you will have all of this information. So you will have some methods. So you can go ahead and just choose the method which fits you. And then it will show only those methods. Again, you're gonna choose the currency which fits you the best and you would get the best rate for. I'm just gonna leave euros. And then you're gonna choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. So USDT, TON, BTC, NOT, or DOGS. So for example, for today, let's choose TON. Now you will see here a lot of verified users like SolidBear, Crypto Exchange, and so on and so forth. So you're gonna choose the one which fits you the best. At the top, there will always be the one which has the best rate and the lowest prices. So I would choose the first one, definitely. And after that, you will see that you can enter the amount you want to sell and you can add a payment method. So from the payment methods, you will see Zenwise, Bsera, SEPA Instant, and Revolut. So you're just going to use the one which fits you the best, for example, SEPA Instant, and you're going to enter your account number. Wise is all the same. Revolut, you will need to enter card number, or you can also go ahead and enter just your account, and then again the same. So you're gonna choose the best method, and after that you will be able to withdraw money to your bank account from Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.